Hi everyone, it's DJ. I am here with Molly Phelan, who is a property tax attorney, and she has created this amazing new tool for Kale Realty brokers. It's called appealmytaxes.com, and we're going to talk about what this tool does, and then we're actually going to take a look at it, and also then after that show you how to sign up yourself, so you'll have your own specific portal which you can use with your clients, which we'll explain in a minute. But before we get into any of that, first of all, thank you, Molly, for introducing this product to our brokers, and also let's talk about what it does.
Sure. So to give you some background on me, I'm a third generation Cook County property tax attorney. Primarily I deal with commercial properties, but I've been involved with the Chicagoland Association of Realtors for several years. And what I had experienced is that there was not a good resource for residential homeowners to appeal their property taxes. That's why we made appealmytaxes.com. What appealmytaxes.com does, it allows taxpayers to go to the website and fill out a very simple proprietary questionnaire to get their property tax appeals started. We then take that person's property tax appeal and we do it from start to finish. We take it to the assessor's office and the board of review. We do an in-depth analysis and file the best argument available for that specific property. We charge a $25 refundable registration fee, and our contingency fee is 33%. Therefore, if your client doesn't receive a reduction, there's absolutely no fee to them.
And they get their $25 refunded.
And they get their $25 refunded. So what we're able to do is, in addition to managing the property tax appeal process, one of the key elements that we have is a dashboard. Much like logging on to your bank account and seeing an update on your account status, we provide that for the taxpayer. The taxpayer logs into appealmytaxes.com and has a real-time update on the status of their property tax appeal, which is huge. Many taxpayers are always confused about where their property tax appeal is in the entire process. Moreover, they don't know when to file a property tax appeal. Therefore, your client can go to appealmytaxes.com today and file a property tax appeal with us. And then we will automatically file that when the certain appeal windows open for that property. And we will provide your clients real-time updates with the status of the appeal.
However, do not send your clients immediately to appealmytaxes.com, because that specific website is for a consumer who probably isn't being represented at this time, or doesn't have a realtor that they're working with. Because what we're about to show you is that Molly went a step further and actually created an opportunity for you as the realtor to create your own custom URL that allows the person to still sign up the exact same way, and then you can see all of what's happening inside of their appeal, and also they will see your information when they log in. So appealmytaxes.com will not show them your information, but you're gonna create a URL. We're gonna walk you through that process so that the URL you send out, not only will you as the broker have an opportunity to see all of your clients and the status, which by the way gives you an opportunity to stay in touch with them, to say, hey, I see that with XYZ property we're at this stage of the process, but also the consumer sees your information every time they log in. So let's take a look at it.
So why don't we start off with explaining really who the three players are in Appeal My Taxes. We have the Appeal My Taxes admin, we have the realtor, and we have the homeowner. And what we're going to do is create a link specifically for Kale Realty. This will be provided to you through the brokerage house, where you can log in and you'll receive an email like this where it says, hi Deborah, we use the fictional brokerage house here, but you'll click on that link and it'll take you to a very simple enroll page, which you'll provide your email, contact information, and create a unique password. You'll confirm your email address, And then it will bring you to a page that looks like this. This is your dashboard. You'll be able to update your contact information as well as your profile image. And then where it says My Registration Page, that is a unique link that has been created for you. You can either press the copy button or copy and paste that link and send it out to either an individual in a directed email, or you'd be able to send it out blindly to your entire database. Now, one of the important things to realize here is that appealmytaxes.com is not asking you for your client list. You are completely in control of sending out this information. So when your client receives the email, and you can also provide that link on your Facebook page, Instagram page, your website. You can put it on any of your marketing materials, and anytime they click on that, it will be associated with your account. And so the client will receive an invite, and they will go through a simple enrollment process where they provide their email, contact information, and create a unique password for themselves. They go through our proprietary entry wizard, and then a dashboard is created for the client. As you can see, the client will see the realtor's contact information and image every single time they log into their dashboard. And what we're doing is we're providing the clients with email updates at least 9 times. Each one of these arrows represented is a step in the property tax appeal process. Each email will tell the client that they need to log into their dashboard. That means that the realtor will receive at least 9 touches with their client as a trusted real estate professional. As your clients register with appealmytaxes.com, you will see which of your clients have registered. This will give you an additional opportunity to reach out to your clients and say, hey, I saw that the appeal window closed. Hey, I saw that the property tax appeal results are out. It allows you an additional reason to reach out and touch your client and continue a conversation. This is extremely important in the post-closing marketing to your clients. After a close, it is difficult for a realtor to continue to provide value to their clients. This is an ongoing value to your clients that you can help both pre and post close. As stated earlier, your clients will receive 9 alerts in regards to their property tax appeal. Importantly to note is that our system files a property tax appeal for your client every single year, not just during a reassessment. Therefore, this is not a once every 3-year program. This is an every single year program where your clients will receive this valuable contact at least 9 times from you. Additionally, for anybody who works with us, we will be providing property tax content that you can share with your email list outside of the appealmytaxes.com universe. We'll be giving updates on township deadlines, homeowners exemptions, tax bill reminders, and educational pieces on how property tax bills are calculated. And that is the extent of our program. If you have any questions, please contact DJ at Kale Realty in regards to signing up through Kale Realty, or have a look on the website.
Yeah, and we're actually going to pause for a second, and we're going to go directly to the enrollment page and show you how easy
great.
it is as a realtor can do. So hang tight 1 second. Hey everyone, it's DJ. I want to show you how, as a broker, Kale Realty broker, you can sign up to get your own custom URL for appealmytaxes.com. So I created a special short link to make it easy, and there'll be a link to this in the article on kaletraining.com. But the link is bit.ly, so bit.ly/Kale tax appeal, all lowercase. So bit.ly/Kale tax appeal. And again, I'll have a link to this right below the video in the article here. But anyway, that will take you directly to this sign up page. And then you're going to just essentially put in your information. So I'm going to go ahead, apologize for the loud clacking there, but we're going to go ahead and just sign up. And address. Sorry, it just changed on me. That was my fault. You can see just how easy this process is. Perfect. And that is essentially about all you have to do. What you can do now that you're on your own dashboard, you can obviously edit your contact information. Like for me, somehow this was my fault. It defaulted and put the company name as incorrect. So I'm going to change that real quick because that's my own error. I'm going to add my phone number and click save. And then you can upload your photo. So you can, select that. I won't do that here, but you guys know how to do that. And then the most important thing is this registration page URL. So I would just copy this link. You can click on the button or highlight it and copy it. And then you can now use that. That is your specific URL to send out to your clientele so that when they sign up to have their property taxes appealed, that it's correctly linked to your account. So it's important just to reiterate, if a client directly goes to appealmytaxes.com and not this custom URL, then they won't be connected to you and you won't get those updates. Not only will you not see what's going on in your client's account, but they also won't see you, right? So this URL does two things. One, it connects the client to you, or rather it connects you in two ways, where you as the broker can now see all the registered users, these are your clients, and what status they're at, and also the client sees your information, including your image and all of your contact info on their portal. So it's a win-win. What you may want to do, considering the URL of course is lengthy because it has to be to make sure it connects to you directly, is you can of course just copy and paste that into an email, or you can actually do like what I just did, and you can use a URL shortener like bit.ly, where you can go ahead and paste that in right here, and then you can get even a shorter. You can even customize it to say something. So again, you don't have to do that, but if you feel like that's longer, or just link to it in your email and highlight some text and make that text link directly to this. But anyway, this is your registration. That is your URL. Send that to all your clients, and then they can sign up with the service.